It's Leon from the development team. So the email builder now has the option to, the menu option to add file attachments. This one really excited me because you could pretty much do this anywhere else. Don't be fooled. You need to go to marketing, emails, campaigns, and go to send or schedule a campaign to see this option. I wasn't able to find this within emails templates. So don't get fooled like I did. As far as this goes, it is compatible with the old version, as the new one was released just the other day. So if any of you are still using the old builder, you can also attach files there as well. There is a 10 megabyte limit to deal with various email systems, and here's a list of supported extensions in case that's helpful. To make use of this, you would end up going to the menu dots and clicking on File Attachments, and uploading your images. That's about all there is to it. Check out the help library for more information.